We're going to have a look at what's known as empirical and molecular formulas. So the empirical formula for a compound is what's the lowest whole number ratio of elements in that compound, while the molecular formula is the actual number of elements in the given compound. So you can see on the screen I have 4 different compounds. We're going to look at the empirical and molecular formula for each. So the first one, C5H10O5, its molecular formula is exactly that. It's what was provided on the top line. But what I notice is that the 5, the 10, and the 5 are all divisible by 5. So the lowest whole number ratio of elements in that compound is actually CH2O. So if asked for the empirical formula, I actually provide that lowest whole number ratio. So then the next one, S2Cl6, I notice that both terms are divisible by 2. So the empirical formula here would be SCl3. One of our compounds today from the lab was KSBC4H4O7. But I look at this molecular formula and I can't further divide this or simplify this formula, okay? This is already the lowest ratio of all of the elements in this compound. So in this case, the molecular formula and the empirical formula are the same. Right, so I would just rewrite this here exactly as it was. N2F4 molecular formula, I notice that both of the terms are divisible by 2, so I divide them both by 2 to write the empirical formula, which in this case would be NF2. So again, empirical formula is the lowest whole number ratio of elements in a compound. We can look at the actual molecular formula and simplify.